So my name's Alan Gillette. Lamprey are pretty incredible. A lot of people, when they just think lamprey, they get this image of this big oral disc and these big teeth, and it's kind of a scary, out of a horror movie type thing. Lamprey aren't going to attack you. They're not scary, they're not invasive, they're incredible, and they play a vital ecological role in a lot of our natural system. Oregon is really special as a state. We have multiple species of lamprey. As juveniles, picture a real large earthworm. They rear and grow anywhere from 3 to 7 years in that life stage as a juvenile. And during that time, there's a couple things happening. One, they're actively picking food out of the water as they're filter feeding, but also the burrowing behavior. And you've got hundreds of small little burrowers all working together. It really helps turn over nutrients. It really helps clean water. As we started building infrastructure, we ended up inadvertently cutting off a lot of that habitat by building structures, culverts, boxes, etc., that were built in a manner that lamprey could not pass. Lamprey simply can't jump. How do we get lamprey safely and effectively across road stream crossings, across different types of infrastructure? What we found is those lamprey, they still have high velocities to navigate, but instead of all of it coming at once at that critical 90-degree point, if we rounded it, you'll start seeing these lamprey are able to kind of better navigate through that because you don't have that sudden cut at that corner. We've really started transitioning from those real hard corners to more of that gradual transition, just knowing that lamprey could be there. We're actively involved in the Lamprey Working Group, which is a collaboration of multiple different state and federal agencies. We're tackling everything from the passage aspect of lampreys to better identification of lampreys. Every one of our projects that involves in-water work where there might be lampreys present, we go through a salvage operation, try to remove any individuals in the project area, move them to a safe location before the project starts. There's a lot of energy and a lot of excitement about lampreys right now, and it's awesome. 450 million years, this creature's remained largely unchanged. To think that in the last couple decades, we're going to start losing our lamprey populations because of actions that we inadvertently take or just don't know about is pretty disheartening. Not on our watch, and we're going to do everything we can to keep them around for another 450 million years.